everyone, it's Rebekah Ellar here at TATTI Lashes. I'm going to be showing you today how to get this Megan Fox inspired glam. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So I'm just going to start by filling my brows in. I'm going to be doing a nice defined brow, just like Megan Fox. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty brow pencil. I'm going to fill them in off camera, so I'll be back in 1 second. So now that the brows are on, I've just popped a base on my lid as well for the eyeshadow. And I'm going in with the Clientele palette and using a grey shade. This is called Cloudy. I'm just going to pop that on the outside corner of my lid using circular motions and light pressure. I'm also going to run some of that through my crease. I'm then going to pop a darker shade of grey. This is called Shady, and this is going on the outside corner just to deepen. And then I'm going to use my first brush just to blend that out. I'm then going in with a sparkling cream shade, and this is going all over the mobile lid. And I'm just patting that on with a flat brush. And this will just add a little bit of a pop of shimmer. I'm then going to take my first brush just to soften and blend. I'm now going to do some liner. Megan Fox always has a really small wing. I'm using an angled brush just to apply that. I'm going to start with the wing and just want a small flick. I'm then going to pat on some black eyeshadow on top of the liner just to make it extra black and matte. I'm then using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer to sharpen up the liner as well as applying a base underneath the eye. And I'm just using a flat fluffy brush to blend that out. I'm then going in with the lightest grey eyeshadow and I'm going to pop that underneath the eye. This will be the only colour underneath. I'm then going in with a nude liner in the waterline just to brighten and open up the eyes. So I'm going to be applying my lashes now. These are the TATTI Lashes individual lashes. Megan Fox has a really soft, fluffy lash, so these will be perfect for that. And the glue I'm going to be using is actually the TATTI Lashes Double Trouble Liner Glue, and I'm going to be using it on the clear side. So I've just popped a few of those individuals on at the end just to get that half lash really fluffy. So I've finished the eye look. I'm going to then do the other eye and my skin off camera, and I will be back to finish off the look. So now that my skin's on and my other eye, I'm going to move on to highlight. That's the only thing I haven't done. This is the Ellar OMG highlight, and I'm just going to pop that on my cheekbones. I'm also going to pop that highlight down my nose and the inner corner of my eyes, just to brighten a little bit. And then for the final step, I'm going on to lips. Megan Fox always has that statement red lip that we all know her for, so I'm going to go in with a liquid lip. This is V Cosmetics in Candy. And I'm going to use a liner brush to sharpen up the edges and create a liner. And then to go on top, I'm putting on this gloss, which is called Red Velvet from Be Perfect. So this is the look completely finished, and I'm going to set my skin and be back in one moment. So this is the complete finished look. I hope you enjoyed my take on Megan Fox's signature glam, and you can shop Tatti Lashes individual lashes on their site, tattilashes.com. Bye.